Hello, this is Dave from Simple Outdoor Solutions in Flagstaff, Arizona. Today we have a demonstration on how to properly load an Outsak animal resistant storage bag. To get started, Outsak is a stainless steel mesh bag that prevents the sharp teeth of little critters from accessing your food and scented items while spending time in backcountry locations. We make Outsak in 6 sizes. Today I'll be using a small Outsak Spectrum Series in green. So let's determine what needs to be protected inside an Outsak bag. We suggest anything that has a scent. This might include your eating utensil. It might include your sunscreen. It might include things like your lip balm. It might include your cook pot. These are things you should take into consideration. Once you've gathered your scented items, and for today's demonstration, these bean bags are going to represent our food. So you've got some of your scented items, and you want to store these things. What do you do first? We suggest odor-proof food bags first. Scented items inside odor-proof food bags. Today, I'm using an Outsak bag from the folks at Outsak Inc. There are other odor-proof food bags available out there. Do your research. You'll find what's appropriate for you, but for today I'm using the Outsak. This is a 9x10. We're going to take our items and we're going to put it inside the Outsak. This is, remember, the bean bags are our food. A little bit of imagination, please. Sunscreen, a couple other items that you also consider to be scented. So you gather those scented items along with the rest of your food and you get them into your odor-proof food bags. So you've got all your food and scented items gathered and they're inside Outsak bags or an equivalent odor-proof food bag. These bags should go inside a food bag. And by a food bag, what do we mean? We mean just something to contain all your food in one place inside your backpack. What oftentimes works is just a basic nylon stuff sack. These are available in all shapes and sizes. You may have one that's suitable, that's already kicking around in your gear bin. If not, these are easily obtained at your local outdoor retailer. They will have several choices for you to choose from. So you have your nylon bag, and all you're doing is you're just putting your odor-proofed items inside the nylon bag. Why do we want everything inside this nylon bag? We'll show you here. So with the mesh has all these links in there, all these tiny little spaces in between the wire. So hard to show you in a video. Those spaces sometimes will kind of grab the corner of plastic packaging. Like you see this nice stiff plastic corner. Sometimes that plastic corner, if it's inside here, can find a way to poke through the mesh. And that gives an animal an opportunity to chew on the corner of a piece of food packaging or on the corner of your odor-proof bag. And we don't want that because it gives them access to your food. And for me, if an animal chews on any part of a stored piece of food for me, it's like that item is trash. It's dead weight now. I'm not going to eat it, but I do have to carry it for the rest of my trip. So I want to protect it. To prevent that from happening, we put everything inside the nylon bag. And the nylon bag slides down inside the Outsak. It keeps all those corners inside the mesh. The nylon bag isn't stiff enough and isn't hard enough to poke its way outside that mesh, so it keeps everything in your Outsak contained inside the mesh. And the critters can't get their teeth on it to chew on anything, and everything is safe inside your Outsak animal resistant storage bag. Ooh, see? Outsak, that's the name you want. After that, what you want to do is find a way to hang it or conceal it to get it up and away from critters or get it in a place that they can't access. We have several videos on different techniques on how to address different situations that you might find yourself in the backcountry. Those are available on our website.